Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to give a long-term review of my OnePlus TV 32-inch after using it for 8 months. So what are the things which I like and which I don't like, I will say.
Why do you want to hunt? Because you all think that I can't. I saw a sign in the sky. I'm ready. One only need.
নমস্কার বন্ধুরা, তোমরা কেমন আছো? আমি ভালো আছি। আজকে আমি খাবো।
So as you can see that the sound quality as well as the picture quality is pretty good, and for a small room the sound is very much loud. You can use it in a small room. If you want, you can also use it in dining room if you want, but it's up to you. So this TV is running in Android 9, and from the Play Store you can download various apps which support this TV. So you can download Netflix, Prime, etc.
मेरे बगल में बैठ मेरे साथ रात बिताई मैंने तुझको भरोसा किया तूने मेरी जान मारी.
So it has a USB port and one HDMI port. So if you want, you can connect those. after using it for 8 months, I didn't face a major problem in this TV. Everything seems to be good, and I will highly recommend this TV to everyone. This is a very nice TV from OnePlus. One thing I would like to mention is that so you have to cover the TV if your TV is near a dirty environment, so you will have to cover it, otherwise some darts may get inside your display, and that's why I had to replace the TV. So it was under warranty for 1 year, so they replaced my TV. So after 1 year, if this happens, then they will not replace, you will have to change the display panel. For that you will have to pay. So keep this in mind, that if you are using OnePlus TV, then you have to cover it pretty well, otherwise dust can enter into the display panel. Rather than this, I am not facing any kind of problem. Sound quality, display quality, all are pretty much good, and I will highly recommend this TV to everyone who loves OnePlus. So if you want, you can extend the warranty up to 1.5 months, but you will have to do within its warranty period, otherwise you will not able to do that. And you can call the installation guy after buying this TV from the OnePlus app, OnePlus Care app. You can download it from the Play Store, and from there you can contact the installation person who will come at your home and install this TV. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I will bring this kind of videos in the future, so stay tuned. Bye, take care.